आधी रात को अपनी डेस्टिनेशन पर पहुंचना has been consistent on this trip. Welcome to Jaisalmer and stay tuned because this is such an action-packed video where we will be camping in the desert. So let's go. I stayed at Mustache Escapes, which was located at the Fort Road, and I was utterly impressed with this property. Mustache is built like a fortress, so you feel so luxurious staying here. It does not feel like a budget stay, but it is. There are plenty of amenities. The most impressive thing is how spacious this property is. It's not claustrophobic at all. The property is nicely spread out and it feels really royal to stay here. There's plenty of open spaces, there's terrace, there's courtyard, there's front yard, there's cafe. Let's talk about the dorms. I was so shocked to see how spacious this dorm is. I haven't seen a dorm this tall. It's really spacious. People on the upper bunk is going to be so comfortable as well. But wait a sec, let me take you to the washroom. The washroom is as spacious as the room. Let me take you to the terrace. From one side of the terrace, you get the view of Jaisalmer city, and from the other, you get this beautiful view of Jaisalmer fort. Overall, I was so happy I decided to stay at Mustache because I have been staying at hostel this entire trip and I'm just happy I tried a new hostel chain and it did not disappoint. But anyways, I actually did visit the hostel. So here's the view from the hostel's terrace. The hostel Jaisalmer is located inside the fort of Jaisalmer, which is the only living fort, and I think that's the unique point of Jaisalmer. There terrace you get this view of splendid Jaisalmer city. The hostel is also built like a fort. It's a very Jaisalmer fort vibe. The only thing is it's a little bit claustrophobic if you ask me. It's not that spacious, but again, a hostel has its own vibe. It's again a very nice stay. So there you have it. If you like, you can stay at the hostel as well. So now it's time to explore Jaisalmer's fort. Do you know Jaisalmer fort is the only fort जहाँ पे लोग आज भी रहते हैं. It's a lively fort and it's huge. It's 4 p.m. and we are leaving for the biggest adventure here in Jaisalmer. We are visiting some dunes and we will be camping there overnight. Not just that, but we will also be visiting a lot of spots on the way. So let's go. But first, let me introduce you to Mr. Himmat, जो कि हमारे driver as well as guide हैं. He was spitting information, facts about Jaisalmer throughout the trip. Not just that, he also had a lot of stories to tell.
मतलब प्यार हो गया था. जैसे अंग्रेज होते थे ना, 3 दिन का, 4 दिन का, 5 दिन का वैसे सिपाही जाते थे बेसिकली. शाम के समय वहाँ मतलब अंग्रेज आते थे. तो उस बेचारे को क्या है जिससे प्रेम हो गया. उसको लेके जोधपुर, जयपुर, मतलब राजस्थान तक जीप कराए. तो ये ऑफिस घर पे आ गया. वो अपने लड़की से जगह. ठीक है. उसके बाद में ही मतलब 2 महीना हुआ है. उसका वापस मैसेज आया. ठीक है. फिर मैं अभी भी तेरे लिए मतलब प्यार जिंदा रख के बैठी. सही.
Okay, so our first stop was Kuldara. Actually, Kuldara is called a ghost town. But इसलिए नहीं क्योंकि यहाँ ghost हैं, but इसलिए क्योंकि बहुत समय पहले इस जगह को रातों रात ghost कर दिया गया था. यहाँ पे जो लोग रहते थे उन्होंने. That's why it's called a ghosted kind of town, not really a ghost town. Like there's no ghost. But anyways, this is how the story goes. सालों पहले, दशकों पहले यहाँ कुछ पलीवाल ब्राह्मण रहते थे जो कि पाली से माइग्रेट हुए थे. उन्होंने कुलदरा में कुछ 80 विलेजेस बसाए थे. वो यहाँ रहा करते थे. बट ड्यू टू अनसर्टेन कंडीशंस, सम स्टोरीज मेंशन हायर इन्फ्लेशन, टैक्सेस, बट सम स्टोरीज आल्सो मेंशन अ अनजस्ट रूलर और मिनिस्टर कॉल्ड सलीम सिंह एंड ही वांटेड टू मैरी वन ऑफ देयर डॉटर एंड वो ये नहीं होने देना चाहते थे. दैट्स व्हाई दे जस्ट वैनिश्ड इन द मिडल ऑफ द नाइट दैट नो वन न्यू वेयर दे वेंट. बट व्हाट्स मोर इंटरेस्टिंग टू मी इज व्हाई इज दिस प्लेस स्टिल इन रूइंस. व्हाई नो वन एवर ट्राइड टू सेटल हियर और डेवलप दिस प्लेस. वेल, एज द स्टोरी गोज, ये जगह पलीवाल ब्राह्मण्स ने बसाई थी और उन्हें इसे रातों रात छोड़ना पड़ा. दैट्स वाई जाते समय वो इस जगह को श्रापित करके गए, इसलिए ये फिर कभी डेवलप नहीं हो पाएगी. एंड ऑल्सो अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सप्लोरर्स हैव ट्राइड टू स्टे हियर ओवरनाइट. उन सब में एक मेंशन है सुपरनैचुरल चीज़ का विच डिडंट let them stay there overnight, and it's very interesting, so you cannot miss this place while you're visiting Jaisalmer. Okay, so on to our next stop.
ये पानी पूरा बारिश का पानी.
मिराज तो आपको पता ही होगा. ये जजोरी ताल बिल्कुल मिराज जैसी फीलिंग दे रहा है क्योंकि दूर दूर तक सब कुछ सिर्फ बंजर है.
टेम्पल है काली माता का। पहले जो ऊपर मकान बना ना फिर इसका दूसरा था। कैसा लगा? अच्छा लगा? हाँ। बोल नहीं रही क्या बात है? क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग? थक गए? हाँ।
ओके, सो फाइनली हम पहुंच गए अपने लास्ट पॉइंट पे। यहाँ से आगे अपने कैंप साइट तक जाने के लिए हमें कैमल राइड करना था। ऑनेस्टली कैमल राइड जितना दिखता है इंटरेस्टिंग या फिर जितना दिखता है इजी, बिल्कुल भी इजी नहीं है, क्योंकि फुट रेस्ट नहीं होता है इसके ऊपर। एटलीस्ट मेरे कैमल पे तो नहीं था। एंड सारा का सारा बॉडी वेट इज़ ऑन योर कोर। You're literally doing a core exercise for whatever minute you're on the camel. So it was not easy at all. Plus, this was my first time, I think, riding a camel. I don't like riding animals, honestly, but इस केस में मेरे पास और कोई चारा नहीं था. They were all insisting on camel, and I literally felt bad for him. But इतनी मशक्क़त करके पहुँचने के बाद, this is where we are sleeping today, तारों के नीचे. There's no tent here, बस यहाँ पे खटियाँ हैं बहुत सारी, सबके अलग अलग कॉट्स हैं. And yeah, we just spent the night. हम यहीं पे खाना बना हमारे सामने, and we enjoyed our meal, had a great time with the group, and then finally went to bed under the most gorgeous and stunning stars. Okay, so अब last activity करने का time आ गया है, that is sand bashing. Sand bashing is basically off-roading, पर not in jungle or rocks, but in desert. Literally on sand dunes. It was very thrilling, and पहले minute में ही मेरे हाथ से मेरा phone उड़ गया, but it's okay, it was fine. With that, our desert trip has come to an end. I really enjoyed my time camping here, and the highlight for me was the starry night. But I have to add, if you're expecting anything luxurious, comfortable, or even with entertainment, I don't think this trip is for you, because it's very authentic and raw. I booked this experience through Mustache, where I was staying for 2,500 per person. But the other people in my group were from Zostel, so I think you can book from either of the accommodation. And also, you don't have to stay there to be able to book this experience. With this video, my solo in Rajasthan series is also coming to an end. I have to say I'm going back with a lot of memories. Truly, I made so many new friends here in all the hostels and really good experiences. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoy reliving these experiences through the video. And don't forget to mention any experiences or place recommendation you would like to watch. To be the smallest and cutest airport I've ever been to. Don't forget, Rajasthan series ज़रूर ख़त्म हुई है, but we are starting with the new series really soon. So stay tuned. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.